My name is Kriti Rampal. I am from Sagar, Madhya Pradesh. Being a theatre artist, I just love to interact with new people and I enjoy my work at Teacher Engagement Department. There are so many wonderful memories with White Hart Junior, but when I talk about my favorite memory, it was a time when I received appreciation postcard on my parents' name for winning Hall of Fame September 2020. The love and respect that I have received from my teachers is just incredible. In 13 months of my journey with White Hart Junior, I won 7 awards for Best Performance and won Hall of Fame for September 2020. The work culture at White Hart Junior is competitive and progressive, which encourages you to go for an extra mile. The best part about the company is that you can share your ideas and thoughts openly with everyone, just like an owner, which gives you this freedom to think out of the box. Company provides growth and recognition. In just 10 months, I got my first promotion. Not only me, I have seen people growing from an executive level to senior manager level in just time span of 1 year or so. The way company is expanding globally and nurturing the young minds holistically gives me this proud feeling of being part of it. I would like to thank Mr. Karan Bajaj for providing earning opportunities to thousands of people in this pandemic. Thank you so much.